Welcome to Mansions and Memorials. I'm your real ridiculous host, James, and today we're at the Early Bird Fall and Winter Princess Margaret Home Lottery. Take a look at the pictures, guys. First look ever. Look at the view. This is worth $3 million, this early bird prize, plus you get $50,000 in cash. And of course, the cottage is built by Linwood, and everything inside is polished by Lakeshore Designs. Angela, our favorite. And just take a look at this, beautiful, mostly white, kind of ready for your splash of color, whatever you want. Over 2,700 square feet of living space, decorated. Kitchen is a chef kitchen with two chairs, but they say there's usually, I thought they said there's 3 chairs in that. I'm only counting. So I guess Janet and Chrissy, but Jack will have to stand. White tile almost to the ceiling there. So you can have a little splash fun in that sink, in that kitchen sink, stainless steel appliances. They're exposed. I prefer when they're kind of hidden, that look like, drawers but they do have a nice pantry right there. Lots of room. 4 bedrooms, by the way, and 3 bathrooms. So that's a nice cottage, gotta be honest with you. Yeah, look at this Chef Boyardee kitchen, guys. This is great looking. It'll do the job, no doubt. And this is on Lake Vernon. Sounds a little alienish, but it's a Lake Vernon. Lots of fishing, smallmouth bass, largemouth bass. I guess one talks softly and the other one yells. I don't know what that means, but you can go fishing no matter what. No matter what. Right off your dock. You got your own dock. Look at that. This is really nice. That looks like the same tile that's in the kitchen. So they're saving some money there. But it still looks pretty nice. Again, you can colorize this whole cottage to the way you want with that $50,000. Has a loft up here. This is a great place for maybe a home office. You can kind of work from the cottage, or just have a bunch of cats laying around up here. Here you could probably, if you don't like this for your guests, you can probably make that a craft room or something if you're retired or just into crafts. This is the basement family room, which is quite, again, you can paint the walls, guys. Don't fear the white. It's all okay. You can do whatever you want after. After you win, that's the important part, is you gotta win it to love it. Bedroom number 2. The secret to a comfy bed is pillows. Look at that. Got like 8 pillows on a bed. Beautiful deck. And with the glass railings there, you can see through while you're sitting on the deck. You got Muskoka chairs out there on your waterfront. There's a 100-foot waterfront, by the way. It's all yours. A little trail going down to your dock. And of course, your fire pit. And more Muskoka chairs. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And I'll leave in the comments, I'll actually leave a comment about a special offer. If you're sick of your internet company, I got a really good offer that you can get a free month. So check that out. But if you're interested in buying a ticket for the Fall 2025 Home Lottery, here's a screen print. You can kind of take a look at what they're asking you to get. It starts with $100 all the way up to $950 package. If you're blessed to have that kind of scratch and you can afford to do it, why not, right? You get 10 tickets plus all these other add-ons. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.